Hello fellow YouTubers, just want to show you my unboxing of the 1500 watt Silverstone Strider series, the ST1500 100% modular power supply unit. So I just picked this up today because my old power supply, which is on the floor over there, has decided to go kaboom and pretty much black out my whole house. Now, the reason the old power supply blew up is I think it overheated, so who knows. Anyway, so this is a 1500 watt model. It's a bit overkill for my system. I've only got two 5870s, two 140mm fans and three 120mm fans. So this is more than enough power. So anyway, just wanted to future-proof myself. Alright, let's talk about the power supply. So, as you can see, it's 1500 watt and it's 80 plus silver and a VGA ×3, so it can handle up to 3 video cards. So there's the box, as you can see. What have we got here? We got a 24 pin ×1, 8 pin 4 pin ×1, EPS 8 pin ×1, floppy 4 pin ×4, PCIe 6 pin ×4, PCIe 8/6 pin ×4, peripheral 4 pin, which is your Molex old style connectors ×12, and SATA power connectors ×12. Alright, let's open her up. I'm doing a one-hander here, so sorry about my awesome camera work. So, how the hell does this work? Alright, I've got the bloody thing upside down, so bear with me. It's down for a sec. There we go. Alright. Let's open her up. So there's the receipt, and I paid, oh, you can't read that, can you? It's all blurry. I paid 339 Australian dollars, mate. So you got you know, the bloody manual, warranty or some shit like that, and another manual. Alright, enough of that crap. So we take this foamy thing off, and look what we've got in here, the goodies. Alrighty, let's look at the goodies. So in this white container, you will find, what is in this white container? A little bag to put your cables in. So, cable bag. And okay, now this is the little cord. It's got one of those weird pins, they're kind of different. And alright, so get the box off the table. Now let's look at the actual power supply. So got tons of cables here, shitload of cables. I don't think I need that many, but it's good to have, I guess, for future. So in this bag we got the screws. So I got a couple of screws. They give you thumb screws, which is pretty good. Let's look at the thumb screws. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand here, so bear with me with my really awesome camera work. So, you know, you got your usual thumb screws. And they give you zip ties. Whoop-de-doo, zip ties. I paid 340 bucks for friggin' zip ties. Okay. And let's look at the actual power supply now. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, so give me a sec. Quality filming, isn't it, guys? Alright. Okay, so here is the power supply. So obviously it's in bubble wrap. Take this stupid bubble wrap off. Oh, I'm gonna put the camera down again. And here it is. It's one massive friggin' power supply. 220 millimeters long, and just your standard height and width. So there's the front, got the Silverstone logo on the top. Alright, you can't really read that, can you? So I'll read it out to you. There is 8 12-volt rails with about 25 amps per rail. And your usual 3.3 volt plus 5 plus 12. So that's about it with that. Alright, so they're the modular bits that all come off. So I've got everything plugged in at the moment. So everything is plugged in there. Got a nice, I think it's a 120mm fan. Young Lin is the brand. Oh yeah, Young Lin. Sounds like an Asian porn star. So Young Lin. Alright, so that is the actual power supply unit. Bear with me. Alright, in the box there's more cables. Bloody hell, they give you a shitload of cables. So we've got some hard drive cables here. SATA power. So this is your 4-pin Molex, as you can see. And there's more 4-pin Molex, and these are your 8-pin, 6-pin converter thingamabobs. So very cool. There you go. So there's a 6-pin there. Another 6-pin, and you can make it into an 8-pin by attaching this little 2-pin doogie-wacky for all you NVIDIA fans. But I've got two 5870s, so that's all I'm using. And that's about it, guys. This is my first unboxing video, so forgive me if it's a bit you know, cheap. So with poor lighting, I'm using my crappy Nokia phone camera. So yeah, that's my new power supply. Thanks for watching.